There it is. This is straight out of high school. I should go in a second now. There it is. You already said this is a test like 40 times.
Was a test of the radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, all receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. Severe weather. The test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any
all the
location.
other stations.
This variability, normally more noticeable at
Where did that box come from?
distances from the transmitter. Friday night, southeast wind. The station you are listening to
Step on this
and
table.
the county's real 5 knots, becoming southeast in the afternoon. The report.
Oh, careful! Almost stepped on you.
Your weather synopsis for South Central Texas.
The dog always gets in the way.
Will remain through this week.
All right, now before y'all click out of the video,
Near normal for this time of year, with highs in the mid 80s to mid 90s and lows in the lower 60s to lower 70s. Now here is the hazard.
apparently that's not. I forgot to lower down the volume.
This weather is expected.
Never mind. All right, so this is it. We have made it, the journey. I am officially done with high school. Graduation just few days away. And I just want to say thank you all for the tremendous support. I don't know where I'd be. I don't know what I would have been doing, especially during the coronavirus pandemic that caused a huge scheme of things to the entire world. Without doing this, my channel probably would have died. I'm still planning on making, or not making videos, but expand and collect more of these fire alarms. Because maybe one day when I get my own house, do a system test of these. And, you know, that'll be a good thing to look bright into the future. Congratulations to all of those who are also the class of 2023, whether those who have already graduated or... There's a bug on my leg. So, if you have graduated or are getting close to graduating like me, class of 2023, we did it. Congratulations, and I wish those of y'all graduates the best in the future, as well as those who finished colleges at the same time that we have finished high school. Yeah, so just same old test. We did K-views in the afternoon, a separate video. But just want to say though, for me personally, I don't know what's gonna be the future for this channel. Like, nothing's gonna happen to it, just that if I do work right away, expect everything to be slowed down. So yeah, that's pretty much it, but I'll try to update y'all as much as I can. But if you guys want me to have like some sort of social media other than Twitter, for this channel alone, I'll be more than happy to do that and just post some updates. But yeah, like I said, congratulations, graduates, including myself, all my friends, and just one more thing I've almost left out, but thank you all for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. That really meant a lot, especially starting double digits in middle school with all the fire alarms and stuff. I pretty much grew throughout the years. It's crazy how fast I've done it in that span of time, but sorry, camera cut out. But yeah, it's crazy how I've done that for like 5 years now, and I still plan on doing that. It's gonna come off slow, but we'll get back to it. It's gonna take time. I gotta get foot in the door on my career path. Still want to be working around these alarms, so yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see what the future holds for us.